Hi everyone! Hope you're doing well. We're back with the gold chart update for the upcoming week. Today is Saturday, and as you can see, the market is currently closed. But we want to build an outlook for next week and see what opportunities we might have. I'm on the 1-hour time frame right now. As you can see, on Friday, due to the tensions in the Middle East, gold experienced a strong bullish move. First, let's go to the weekly time frame. As you can see, last week's candle closed as a strong bullish momentum candle, closing above the previous candles. Based on this weekly pattern, we can still expect further upside for gold. However, fundamental news can have a big impact on gold's moves, so make sure you manage your trades carefully. Now, let's analyze the key technical levels where we might find trading opportunities. On the weekly time frame, two important levels are 3,359 and 3,326. We'll look for more detailed bases on the lower timeframes. But for me, ideally, I'd like to see the price touch 3,326 and then enter a buy position after confirmation. Moving on to the daily timeframe, we have a resistance area around 3,432, where the price briefly went above, left a shadow, and pulled back without closing lower. This suggests we might see some correction from this zone. Again, due to the ongoing tensions in the Middle East, anything could happen. Gold might even open with a bullish gap on Monday. Or we might see some downward corrections before it resumes the upward move from lower bases. In such conditions, manage your sell trades carefully. Always use a stop loss and make sure to secure profits. Another level to watch for potential selling pressure is around 3,498, which corresponds to a daily wick area. I'm now on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the bearish candles here have lower rejection wicks, which don't provide a strong reason for entering sell trades. Personally, I prefer either not to sell in this zone or to enter with a very small lot size. We've got some support zones on the 4H time frame. One of the key areas is here. As you can see, it has held the price multiple times. This zone is roughly between 3,288 to 3,296. The next key zones, which I also mentioned on the weekly time frame, are around 3,323 to 3,341. This area was already retested once, and price made a bullish leg from here. 3,364 to 3,377. Price also retested this zone and started a bullish move. These are wide zones, so we'll refine them on the lower timeframes. Switching to the 1-hour time frame, there's something interesting. The second key support zone can be split into two parts. First, 3,319 to 3,331. Second, 3,339 to 3,346. On the 1-hour chart, you can see price made a bearish leg, then consolidated, followed by another bearish leg. The base candles from that area acted as resistance once, causing a drop. Eventually, price broke sharply above, reacted to the previous high, and pulled back down to the same base candles, which have now become support. Currently, price is hovering above that support, and if it revisits the zone with confirmation, scalp opportunities could arise. Now, for scalping, one key support is this red candle on the 15-minute time frame, where price reacted again. If price returns to it, it may only offer very short-term scalp setups. Some of the refined zones from higher time frames are 3,373 to 3,375. The origin of the last bullish leg in 15 minutes around 3,383 to 3,385. 3,344 to 3,346, 3,322 to 3,326, 3,288 to 3,292. I'll mark these important levels with horizontal lines so they remain on the chart. As for supply zones, one is around 3,343 to 3,346, and the other is near 3,497 to 3,500. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead.